Okay, today I will tour you in our garden. Okay? So this is our tomato garden. Yes, plenty of tomatoes. Yes. Tomato. Yes. In Tagalog it means nay dalawa, nay dalawa. Two tomato, tomato. Okay. Sa usapang laseng, dalawang tagay, dalawa. Hindi, tagay, dalawa. Toma, two. Toma, two. Okay. Yan. Sa usapang laseng. Now we are here. Zucchini. Yeah, you see the zucchini? There's the zucchini. From the Latin word, which means suki na nakabikini. Zucchini. Okay. Tapos we have onions. Here, onions. See? Onions. So when I make our salads, I just pick onion, zucchini, and tomato here. Okay. Now we are going to another, the fruit garden and the flower garden. See, we have orange. We have limes. See the lime tree and the orange tree. And we have this is persimmons. Yes. When it's ripe, it will turn to red color. So now it is the persimmon. It looks like a tomato. Still not ripe. There's the orange tree, and see here, we're going up. Here's the place, and we have an apple tree. See the apple tree? There's the apple tree. Okay. Nice apple tree. Yep. See the apple tree. Ah! Oh no. Fell down. Apple tree. It's noontime. Tiny apple in Hawaii makes me feel happy. So this is the garden way up. So we went up, and they still have, oh, this is the neighbor's oranges. Now I will show you on this track where the avocados. See plenty of avocados there. It's abundant. Look at that. Look at the branches. So abundant. Look at this. See? Avocados just on my head, on my face, and look at this. Up. Whoa. Look at that abundant supply of avocados. Yup. Look at this. Oh, awesome. Plenty of avocados. Yummy, yummy. To the tummy. For the tummy. 5 the tummy. Now, see, we have abundant supply of fruits and vegetables. So you can be a fruitarian or a vegetarian. Okay. Now, everybody thought that this is a grave. No, it's not a grave. It's just a cross. An Irish cross. So that everyone who comes here can, I wish you luck. I wish you all the luck. And this is the thermometer. Temperature, it's 65, 66. 66 degrees. Look at this garden. And I know God will give us a big garden, sweet rose, Jet Carl and Jetos. God will bless us. Give us a farm. Amen. See? Okay. There you go. Now you sit. Now you sit. Yeah, we came over there. We go around the place here and there. See the beauty. Okay. There you go.